Warwick is a pioneer in manufacturing. They have got loads of resources which might be helpful for you. Coming from WMG as an associate and hired by Gordon Ellis is a unique combination. Gordon Ellis is a traditional family-owned woodworking business. We are like a bespoke carpentry and a joinery company. Plus, we also do polymer rotational molding.
Working with Gordon Ellis is really exciting. They're a company where tradition meets technology, and that's something at WMG that we really try to endorse and work with companies with that same like-mindedness as we have. What we did was we brought a project on board with academics in-house at WMG, and we hired a KTP associate who just finished university to come in and bring that academic expertise into that company with some fresh thinking, innovative ideas, and helping them change up the way they run their business.
So I joined them and we started working on this project where we started with improving the shop floor by doing a proper, complete reshuffling of all of the machines. So all of the layout for the production shop floor was changed because as we were a very traditional company, we have a very labor-intensive and costly manufacturing operations, resulting into very unproductive workflow. After optimizing the shop floor, I went into making up a software for planning all of the manufacturing operations. While I was making that software, I was offered a job here as a permanent production engineer, so I accepted it.
Being a very traditional manufacturing business, it was looking at bringing technology into the future of Gordon Ellis by bringing a KTP on board, bringing in that extra fresh eyes on a project and helping them to innovate and scale up in a big way. Placements like internships are really important because we're actually upskilling that next generation of engineers and world leaders. The quality and calibre of candidates we find for these placements is so well received by these businesses that often they will stay on and be offered a permanent role working with that company, and they get to carry on their career journey with that company after working on a project with us. Get in touch with us today if you're ready to start your success story. We can help you innovate within your business, upscale and grow by using our in-house facilities, our academic expertise, our group of experts here that we have at WMG.